Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of grammar to tackle a common issue that often trips us up: run-on sentences. Fear not, by the end of this video, you'll never be tricked by a run-on sentence again. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Before we dive into the methods, let's understand what run-on sentences are. A run-on sentence happens when two or more independent clauses are incorrectly connected, lacking proper punctuation or conjunctions. Independent clauses are complete thoughts that can stand alone as sentences. There are different ways to correct a run-on sentence. Let's explore each of them. Method 1 is using a period to correct a run-on sentence. This method divides the long run-on sentence into shorter, more logical sentences. Let us look at an example. Observe this run-on sentence. I love to hike. I go to the mountains every weekend. Now let us look at the revised sentence. I love to hike. I go to the mountains every weekend. By adding a period between the independent clauses, I love to hike, and I go to the mountains every weekend, we create two separate sentences that are easier to understand and give us a smoother flow of thoughts. Method 2 involves using a semicolon to connect related independent clauses within a single sentence. Observe the run-on sentence. She's an artist. She's also a talented singer. Now let us look at the revised sentence. She's an artist. She's also a talented singer. By using a semicolon, we link the related thoughts of her being an artist and a talented singer without breaking the flow of the sentence. Method 3 employs a comma with a coordinating conjunction to connect independent clauses with a specific relationship. Observe the following sentences. The run-on sentence goes like this: I wanted to go to the party. I had to finish my assignment. However, if we revise to correct it, then it would go like this: I wanted to go to the party, but I had to finish my assignment. By adding the coordinating conjunction, but, we join the two clauses and highlight the contrast between wanting to attend the party and having to finish the assignment first. Method 4 is to use a subordinating conjunction to create a complex sentence, with one clause depending on the other. Observe this run-on sentence. He can't play soccer. He injured his knee. Now look at the revised sentence. He can't play soccer because he injured his knee. By introducing the subordinating conjunction, because, we establish a cause and effect relationship between not being able to play soccer and the knee injury. Now, let's put your new knowledge to the test with a quick exercise. I'll provide 3 run-on sentences, and your task is to correct each one using any of the methods we've just learned. You will be given 15 seconds to correct each run-on sentence. For item number 1, how do you correct this run-on sentence? I love to read. I finished 3 books last week. Your 15 seconds starts now. By using a period, we've properly separated the two independent clauses, I love to read, and I finished 3 books last week. For item number 2, how do you correct this run-on sentence? She loves to dance. She's been taking lessons for years. Your timer starts now. This time, we used a semicolon to connect the related ideas of her love for dancing and her years of dance lessons. For the last item, how do you correct this run-on sentence? The concert starts in 30 minutes. I hope we can find good seats. Your timer starts now. For this LST item, we used a comma with the coordinating conjunction, and to show the connection between the concert starting soon and the hope of finding good seats. Remember that the answers provided are just examples of possible revisions, and that the other methods discussed will also work equally well. Fantastic work on the exercise. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature to spot and fix these grammar mistakes in your writing. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.